tables themselves.
I'm filming it.
Oh.
Wake him up.
I'm gonna wake them up again. Maybe I'll do that. See any?
No.
And in the back.
They went back to sleep. Oh, I see a little one.
Any? None? Where was it?
It was pretty small. I could barely see it on my phone.
Where did it come from?
There goes one.
Where?
I just saw it. I don't know my.
Just one. Did you see one on the bottom of the screen real fast?
Oh, there's one.
That was a huge one.
Oh, another one.
They're coming out of the bedroom now.
There's another one.
That was a big one.
Oh, there's one.
That one just popped out of nowhere. So why are there now? There's a bunch of them. There's dust doesn't go that far. See?
It's dust.
Go like this in circles. Dust should follow me then, right? In circles.
You just woke one up. Oh, there's 3, 4 of them.
This energy.
Oh, a bunch is shot out.
Wait. Left.
Oh, more.
Behind the curtains. I forgot about that.
The dust.
They have action now.
They're hiding behind the curtains.
They probably are.
Oh, there's more.
Where about now?
Yep. Some just came out.
From where?
Everywhere. Oh, look at the giant ones. Oh, look, more. Oh, got the ghost. You woke the ghost. Those pillows are dusty, that's all.
Yeah, but they fly straight. How come they don't go up?
Oh, there's a giant blob. Ooh. One just landed.
See that slow one? Let me see. Link them all.
Oh, you just hit them. You can play ping pong with them. Look, they're all floating everywhere. Yeah. Oh, now they're everywhere. Oh, they're floating up from the ground. No. Oh, shit. What do you do now?
They're nothing now. They're just crazy.
You scared them.
They're pissed off at me.
I don't think they like you.
No, I'm gonna go over here. Oh shit, they're following me.
Now they're everywhere. They're coming from the ground.
Oh, weird.
There's a leak. They're coming from the stripper pole.
See, how can no one not?
You woke them up. Don't make me mad.
It's coming from the floor. That's weird. See, it doesn't make any sense, does it?
Yeah, it does.
Nah, how can they just keep on coming from the floor? Once you get the wind, I've done this with bubbles before. The wind just goes around circles, then it follows you and it dies off. Well, it's energy, whatever that is, I guess.
You made them mad. Don't make me mad. Now there's a bunch more.
You know what? They're like going to you.
Here, wait. Look.
Let's see. Remove.
Did they come off my shirt?
See, they're going like they're going sideways.
Dandruff?
Let me see. Oh.
Now they're falling. They're snowing.
What the hell? What?
She put tantrum. Hey, don't be doing that shit.
Well, she already went down. Look.
I blew him the other way.
God.
Now they're coming up from the ground.
They're far.